Hello, I'm Stewart Bloor, pike fishing on the Middle Severn, fishing today with Lawrence Breakspear. Last time out we both blanked in spectacular style, didn't have a pike between us, even a run. Hopefully today we can put that to bed and catch a fish for the camera. Nothing to report as yet, been here a couple of hours. Lol had a pike on, as you will have seen from the video. It was when he was retrieving the bait, bringing it in, pike snatched at it. It happens quite a lot when you're pike fishing, but he didn't land it, so I think the kiss of death that I bring to people I fish with continues. Anyway, moved a few pegs upstream. I think Lol's coming to join me soon. Hopefully, who knows, might get amongst the fish this time. Lol's gone. In fact, I posted on my Twitter that the jinx has gone and I might now catch a fish. And lo and behold, the float goes away. I'm beginning to pack away myself because it's the end of the day for me. And float goes away, strike, catch me a pike. Brilliant. What a cracking fish. Look at that, eh? Beautiful. Lovely, good Middle Severn pike. Only one thing for it. Give it a kiss. Put it back. And hope Lol's watching this. Right, got this pike on the mat here and I'm going to get the hook out. I say hook because only one of the trebles has taken. Brilliant, first cast as well. I haven't got time to set my second rod up. Right, I'm gonna not lie on the fish exactly, but I'm on top of it, so to speak, just to hold it in nice tight position. Its mouth's going now, so I've got a firm grip on it. You need confidence when you're dealing with these fish. The hook's really easy to take out, better forceps, and there you go. I'll get a photograph of it in a moment, but there it is. A nice, long, lean Middle Severn pike. Right, I'm now going to take a photograph. Got the pike there. I'm going to set my camera. It's just a Nikon Coolpix, very cheap, simple camera. It's what I use for all my angling photographs, and I've got a Sony Handycam as the video camera. People ask me what sort of equipment do I use. Nothing too technical, just the sort of stuff you get from Argos. So I've set my camera there, put it onto self-timer, front of the camera. There you go. Simple as that. As easy as ABC. Just a quick check. Yeah, that's come out okay. I might take another one, but I'm going to put the fish back in the water while I just get that set up. It's important to not keep the fish out too long. That was amazing. Within seconds of the bait hitting the deck, I was into that fish. It's a tight little peg. In fact, I wouldn't even call it a peg really. It's a spot I dropped into, you know, made some space between two bushes. I had the one fish, a lot of commotion. I decided to move, so I hadn't even set up camp, as it were, for the afternoon. Just before midday, actually, I started to fish. So I've moved to another peg, and I'm going to get both rods out now, and hopefully get amongst these pike. You may wonder where session 2 went to on the video. Let me tell you about session 2. I was on the canal piking, didn't catch anything. I got some great shots of a muntjac deer. It was in daylight. It was you know, mid-morning, 10:30, something like that. I got some great shots of a muntjac deer on the camcorder. Anyway, got the camcorder set up by the you know, by my chair and stuff. And I moved around a little bit with my binoculars to see if I could get just a few paces, see if I could get another shot. And then I heard a splash, and I looked around, and the camcorder decided to go for a swim. So the tripod legs were sticking up out the canal. I tried to dry it out, tried everything I could to get that film off there, but unfortunately no film. So if you wonder where session 2 went to, that's where session 2 went to. Just started to snow as well. Fancy that.